here is polyglot trading. Today we're gonna talk about Axi Select, and it is way to get funded. And I started like almost 2 months ago or something like that, because before reach this phase, I had to do some trade. So a certain period of time um, has passed, and actually I went to this seed stage. Right here is the first stage, and actually I passed this stage in like I don't know, 1 week, something like that. And I paused everything because I had the target of 7% right here, and with I should take at least 20 trades. So I passed that phase in like 7 days, and I had to wait 30 days to actually move to the next stage, right? Here, I don't know why, but we can see the trade, and let's see the chart. You can see right here, actually in this stage, I started in May 21st, and I finish it in May 29th, right? So actually in 8 days, right? And I've been waiting uh, the period to finish. And right here you can have the stats of the stage, the win rate, the lose the losses rate, and you can see right here every single stat about it. And the most interesting part right here is this one, where I have an edge score, and in this edge score you can see I'm quite high, and that is just grace of the trade that I've been taking. And you have everything right here. I have a good edge score, by the way. Just want to improve it. And here we have the leaderboard, the payout. Actually, I have no payout at the moment, but that will come really, really soon. So, guys, that is just an overview on this founded program, and we're gonna move to the next stage live. Let's do it. Next stage. Alternative is prevailing. You can pause the video and read this. That is interesting, by the way. So I will click confirm, and let's go. Let's go. A bit of suspense. There we go, guys. We are right now in the next stage. To start this stage, I had to have an equity of at least 1k. Yeah, at least 1k. And now I have 60 days in this stage. The profit target is still 7%. The number of trade 40. And let's see in the future, the next day, how this gonna evolve, right? Okay, guys, it's all for today. You can see here everything reset. The chart, no, actually, but let's see. Take care, trade safe, and see you. Cheers.